Hey guys, Maverick here, and in this video I'm going to talk about how much you can actually expect to earn from YouTube without creating your own content merely by uploading others' videos in a compilation or anything like that, basically using Commons. So stay tuned if you want to know how much you can exactly earn from uploading Creative Commons videos.
Let me do my thing. Let me do my thing.
Okay, I'm back, guys. With the crazy requirement of YouTube, I mean, it's gone completely bonkers. It's become so difficult to earn money on YouTube. You have your watch time, you have your 1000 subscribers, and if you're a lazy ass bum, just like me, I must say, who just wants to sit on the couch and watch Netflix, just go binging on HBO or something like that, and yet have the dollars pouring into the bank, then this video is particularly for you. So, okay, uh, just like you, like my channel, I'll just show you. It's not a very old channel. I just created this on 7th August 2018 itself. So, just like you, I wanted to earn some money, and I just typed in how to earn money from YouTube without making videos. Yeah, that's what I typed in, and I just pressed enter. I came up with all these videos. This has 785,000 views. This guy by 9 to 5, he's got 119,000 views. How to make money on YouTube without making videos? Without making? Yeah, make money on YouTube for beginners. Then you have this guy, how to make money on YouTube without making videos. How to make $100 per day on YouTube without filming any. And I think this guy's got like, yeah, $37,000. That's what's there on his thumbnail. $37,000 per month without creating your content. I mean, that's what this particular thumbnail signifies. That you don't need to create your content. You just go into uh, YouTube, basically. All these guys, this one here, by 9 to 5, Gallagher, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, Dream Cloud, Homemade Entrepreneur, John McNeil, they're all talking about creative content, basically. I'll just show you. So creative comment is basically, once you've typed in your keyword here and you get certain videos here, so you just go into filter it by creative commons, and these videos, essentially you can now download these videos and you can upload them basically on your own channel without getting any kind of a copyright strike. So that's what all these guys here are talking about. Gallagher, Dream Cloud. Now this guy says you can make $100 per day on YouTube without filming any this thing. This guy talks about $37,000 per month without making any. This guy says 10,200 per month on YouTube without making any videos. Is that possible? So I decided to give it a try, basically. So this is my channel. Uh, it was created on 7th August 2018. I'll show you my playlists. Okay, another one. This is Joshua Elder here. He says you can make $100 to $1,000 a day watching Fortnite videos. So I decided to go ahead with Fortnite videos. So essentially, what did I do? I typed in Fortnite here. I went into Creative Commons. Then again, I filtered it by view count here. And I picked the most viewed video from here and downloaded it and uploaded it onto my own this thing. Like, I'll just show you. So I have a Fortnite playlist here. Let's see. How many videos do I have? I have 14 videos that I made just using this particular method. And how many views do these videos have? They have 2 views. They have 3 views. Okay, this one, it's got 6 views. This one, it's got 5 views. And before you say that I haven't SEO'd my video or I haven't used the keywords properly, I have done all that. I've done all of that jazz, keywords, SEO, tags, everything. It's all optimized, it's all there, it's all this thing. So can and I'm not getting any views. If you are also doing this particular same thing, then let me know whether you are getting any views or is it just me out here who's not getting any views. So after this gaming thing, I decided, okay, let me create another compilation. Let me not go into this one. Let me create a funny animals compilation. I created a funny animals compilation again. So 9 views you can see here, and the rest are also similarly like that only. Some will have 20 odd views. This one has 22 views. This one has, okay, this is not a compilation, this is actually my own Saint Bernard. So point I'm trying to make here is whether it's gaming. So Fortnite is the number one gaming trend currently. Whether it's funny dogs compilation, whether it's stand-up comedy, I created a compilation of stand-up comedy as well, and this has got 10 videos in it. Whether it's, you know, I tried with Big Bang Theory, I tried with Young Sheldon before it got struck down. I got copyright strikes. This is Sarabhai versus Sarabhai. It's a very popular soap, TV soap in India. So I tried with this one. I got a copyright claim, a strike here, and copyright claims on Big Bang Theory and Young Sheldon. So I did not pursue them further on. So then what did I end up doing? I this is my own this thing gameplay basically. So I created my own content. Now this has got 28 views here. This one has 5 views. This one has 173 views. Not bad. This one has 118 views. Alright, not bad for a guy who's just 1 month old into the YouTube community and who has basically no experience whatsoever in creating videos. I am very, very camera shy, in case you guys haven't noticed that. And then I created these tutorials also. So, how to make a thumbnail, how to get 1,000 subscribers, okay, 12 views. This one here, okay, this one got 2030 views. Then this one got 525 views. So basically my point is, guys, comedy, I've tried it. Gaming, I've tried it. Funny animals, I've tried it. I've put in all the right keywords, all the right description, tagged, I mean, from A to Z, all tags are perfectly optimized for the search criteria, search algorithm, but yet I'm not getting any views. I am only getting views on the content that I have actually sat down and created and painstakingly uploaded. Now come back to this one. Now this one has 20,000 views. This one has 119,000 views. Uh, and where's Dream Cloud? Yeah, 731,000 views. How are they getting such views? Well, obviously they have a higher subscriber count here. This one has 31,000 subscribers, and they are spending money through Google Ads, and they are in effect, technically speaking, buying their views from Google itself. Why are they spending so much money and buying? Because this person here, he is not just promoting this particular video, he is also promoting his mm, e-commerce course here. Yeah, dreamcloudacademy.com. So basically he is leveraging, he is earning, if you sign up for his course, it's around $150, and then there are various other upsells, etc., etc. So basically he is doing that. Now let's check out this one here, buy 925. All right. So he also wants you to sign up for his advanced YouTube advanced masterclass, my make money on YouTube course. Again, they will all be priced around 150 bucks. So, or his Shopify course, his Shopify. So basically, this video is more or less an advertisement for them. So that's why they are able to spend money on Google ads and get these kind of views here so that they can promote this particular content here. So out of these 119,000 people who actually saw this guy's video, even if say 10% or 5% of that, people click on his course, and out of that 5%, if only 1% people go ahead and sign up, that's still thousands of dollars for this particular guy, and that's how they're making money. So basically my whole point here is that if you are just downloading videos from Creative Commons, compiling them, adding a soundtrack, and uploading them with a different logo, with a different banner, different outlook altogether on your channel, and you expect that you will get views, you will not. You will not get views. You can use that particular method for basically getting yourself familiarized with the YouTube community. uh, that was the only good thing that I got out of that whole exercise when I downloaded Fortnite videos, and the comedy, the stand-up comedy, and the funny animals one. So that was the only great thing that I got out of that. That I got familiarized with this. So then my second step became, okay, I'm a camera shy. I don't want to show my face onto YouTube. So let me talk it out now. So that's what I'm doing. And that's the second phase that I'm in. My third phase will finally be, coming right out into the open and interacting with you guys on a one-to-one and sharing whatever I've learned. And that's how it should be. Your three-stage let's say three-stage process to becoming a successful YouTuber. First, obviously familiarize yourself with the whole YouTube community, how to upload videos, when to upload videos, the right kind of keywords, right kind of tags, right kind of description. So for that particular phase, you can download and upload, but do not expect views here. Do not expect views, because you will not get them. Second phase should be that you're just getting yourself comfortable talking on mic and creating good quality videos. And ultimately, third step should be that you should be able to get one-on-one and have some FaceTime with the audience itself. And that's what I'm trying to do here. So if you liked this particular video, guys, do subscribe, do like, do give me a comment. Whether you disliked it, go ahead and dislike. uh, give me some kind of feedback. Thank you, and till the next time, bye bye.